Hi, everyone. Welcome to MSB Talks. Yeah,
You're stuck also.
yeah. I got you. Yeah. Like, how's the response of Calorie?
It's been great till now.
Yeah,
Like people are loving it, I feel. Yeah. And
yeah,
people mainly like the dance part and the action part. That's what I think.
yeah, yeah. I also really love your dance, and I also texted you that we have to make a
Yeah.
film about dance because
Yeah.
you're so good in that. Like, I always love if somebody's dancing for this classical, this these kind of music.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. So and you were
No,
so
actually,
good.
that part was not there in the initial script that I have
Okay.
written. I mean, that I
Yeah,
had
yeah.
in mind.
Okay.
It was actually a different sort of. I wanted to get, love story sort of thing, little bit of
Okay.
romance and a dance there. But I wanted
Okay.
dance because I haven't done any dance in my, if you know this my last short film because I wanted to
Yeah.
do a film after. So like I wanted to try everything, but I haven't tried a dance or something like that. So I wanted dance in this film. Somehow I wanted to get in, but so that wasn't there. Like I couldn't get that story right because I didn't have artists for that. So many problems are there. So we didn't want to do that. So I changed why not a classical dancer. So I put it like a classical
Yeah.
dance thing. That's it.
Yeah, and the expressions were like you were so good. Are you a trained dancer?
No.
Okay. So you
Some
just
fluke
dance.
happened. I did something. No, that's all.
Oh, like
It's
your
not.
eyes were so powerful. Like when you're dancing, the one expression I was like, wow, like it is really amazing. I thought that you were a trained dancer. Okay.
Thank you. No, I'm not a trained dancer. I'm not. Just happened like that. But I mean, I have to thank our choreographer, Grishma. She had actually sent the dance video and the
Okay.
tutorial sort of thing separately, which is why I could learn, properly.
Okay. So are you happy with the sign
And
also?
there were some,
Yeah. Okay.
just
Yeah.
a minute, okay, I want
Yeah.
to
Yeah.
tell something about that.
Yeah.
There were some hard steps and all.
Okay.
So if you see, there's a cut to that guy who's sitting there,
Yeah. Yeah.
Vignesh, in dancing. He was actually the cameraman of that dance sequence. Okay, I was
Okay.
like,
Okay.
no, this scenes I can't do, so I'll just cut it to you whenever I can't do something.
Okay.
So if you see two, three places, there's a cut to this thing, him sitting there.
Yeah.
That is
Yeah.
actually because I couldn't do those great steps. Yeah.
So you did this in editing, okay? Like you become a good editor. Yeah.
Uh,
Yeah. Then your previous films, yeah.
no,
Because
no,
it,
no, no. I
yeah.
feel mixed edit is the best edit because
Okay.
there is a cut that how he gets accident. The reason why he gets accident.
Yeah.
It's not actually told.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's not told. I mean, he's not telling it actually, but with the edit, you understand that. I reversed the
Yeah.
whole clip and then it comes. People actually understood. I feel that is best edit.
Okay. So I would like to ask you this question. I think have you watched this interview of Alphonse Putran with Bhadavaj Rangan? Have you watched this interview?
Whom, sorry?
I, I, Alphonse Putran in interview with Bhadavaj Rangan.
Alphonse Putran. Yeah. I have watched. Alphonse Putran is someone who I follow.
Yeah.
Okay? I used to follow him before this interview comes. See, before,
Okay.
I didn't find much interviews of him in
Okay.
YouTube before. I had
Yeah.
watched not almost every interview of his because
Okay.
it's only some countable interviews are there.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
only when 5 years of Premam happened, they started
Yeah.
doing too much of interviews of it. Yeah, I watched
Okay.
these
So
interviews.
in that interview, she said something about I'm a bad writer and I'm a good director, but I'm a very good editor. So
Yeah.
what Abhinav is exactly
See,
is that?
I have told you, right? Premam and Angavali Diaries is two films that actually
Yeah.
inspired me. I've told you, right?
Yeah.
Because they had cut shots. So
Yeah.
Alphonse Putran is one reason why I
Yeah, in
started
songs, in
to
Prem, the
make.
songs it was amazing. The cuts was
Yeah. No. In Premam, actually, what like that fascinated me was there is a text that comes suddenly.
Okay.
colorful text and color keep changing.
Yeah. In songs and all,
And
there used to be.
yeah,
Yeah.
and in the title thing, no title track, if you see text is there and the camera just moves like that.
Yeah.
In the title track, text is actually staying and camera is moving like that. So that is one thing that really fascinated me. I still can't do it. I don't know how to do it. I have idea, but I haven't tried that. Like
Even there is
the
this
camera.
song like that song with Anupama Parmeshwaran. Okay, one of my like I just it didn't come.
Alu Apura.
No, not Alu. Like the another song there used to be this that the boys used to sing. Okay, the boys used to who used to stalk. You know, they all
Yeah,
used to.
Kalam get.
And,
Kalam get to it.
not Kalam
Yeah, in
Kitty.
that also text keep
Yeah,
coming, right? And color keep changing.
and not Kalam Kitty. There is another. Yeah, Kalam Kitty also there. And another song. Oh my god, that. Yeah, I think it was.
Scene Conra.
No, with Anupama Parmeshwaran, there is three songs. One was Alo Plidithirithu,
Yeah.
another was Kalam Kitty, and
This one.
that Padivayana, yeah. In that song, you just see like the camera used to come front and then used to go back.
No.
In most of the shots in that song,
Yeah.
it used to be like that.
But in Premam, that also fascinated me. But what really fascinated me was this title card of thing. You just watch it, okay?
Yeah.
Text is there and the camera keeps moving like that. That's the first time I saw something like that.
Okay.
And then this texting and the cuts were something that I really loved in Premam.
Okay.
And in the tail end of Premam, there's a text that comes, butterflies mentally this thing. And that time when the butterfly goes on the text, color changes and all.
Oh, okay, I have noticed it.
So so that was something that fascinated me in Premam. So I used to stalk Alphonse Putran a lot.
Okay.
I used to love his interviews and all. But the reason why I'm a good editor is not Alphonse Putran. It's actually Rajkumar Hirani.
Okay.
There is one thing that he told me, and I could literally see example of that day itself. That is why I became a good editor, I would tell. See, he told that a good editor will actually change the audience mentality for a second and then get it back. That is how movie becomes interesting.
Okay.
See, so what he told was, you have 3 shots, okay? One is a start, okay? Other thing is a man coming running. Third thing, him falling. Okay. Now, first, if you show the stone, it wouldn't be interesting. You cut that stone part. He's running, suddenly he's falling, then you show a stone. Same thing I saw in a film. The same day I saw it on a film known as Pokir Raja. I was just changing. Suddenly I saw a scene. It was actually a police running. First shot was a police running. Then was goons running. And then they show the police and they come to a wide thing where actually the police is running front and the goons are tracing it.
Oh yeah. You're saying something about
same example I saw. Yeah. So that day I was like, oh, this is editing. Then I started looking.
Yeah. You started looking.
No, I started looking into editing seriously after that.
Yeah. So, like, in which thing you're so good, like editing or writing or direction? Yeah. In which position you just feel comfortable or not comfortable? Like, I'm so good at this. Okay. In which field you're so good?
See, I told you the answer in the last interview, I think. See, I'm better as a filmmaker altogether, as an actor, as a screenwriter, as a because there is many advantages when you do something like that. I can actually make sure that everything is going right.
Yeah.
In my film. Yeah. So that is what I'm good at as a filmmaker, complete filmmaker.
So, are you happy with the output of coloring?
output of Kalari, no.
Okay, why?
No, I wanted to try something bigger than this.
Okay.
Bigger than this. Like, I wanted, there is this thing known as um, robo, this thing, okay, cam.
Yeah.
Bolt robo, it's known as.
Okay.
Goes fast, comes like this. So Kalari's last action sequence, I wanted to see. I know the technique of that camera.
Okay.
That will give a special effect.
Okay.
It's actually shot in that Bolt camera. What happens is the camera is in 48, that is in slow motion, and it just moves fastly. And the actors also have to do fight scenes fastly, so it gives a special effect.
Oh, okay.
It's there in Simba's climax. If you see, there's a fight scene like that.
Simba
Ranveer Singh Rohit is that. In that fight. So I started it just gives special effect. Okay. So when I saw Simba, I saw this thing and I kept on inquiring about this thing. What is that? Bolt robot, how that works and all. Then I understood the technology behind it. So I tried to do something like that, but not same technology. What I try to do is I will shoot in this thing, the time lapse. Actors will perform slow, the exact opposite of the other thing. So same output comes.
Okay.
But how much ever slow we tried, it wasn't coming properly. So that thing I couldn't do in Kalari, and also
but it was very hard, to perform slowly.
It was hard, but I tried it also. I made them perform and all, but I don't know what happened. But in the trial, we got it right.
Okay.
Like when I did it in home with them, I got it right. But on this set, how much ever slow we did also, I was not able to match that.
Okay.
I'm happy with.
Yeah.
And other thing is that, like, I wanted to show many things. I wanted to shoot in this. So I wanted to shoot some portions there.
Okay. Yeah.
And like with huge visuals and all, like what Sanjay Leela Bansali or something, this wide, like big scale and all. But I couldn't do that also due to COVID. It was closed. So those things were there. But that's all.
Yeah, and
that's why I'm little unhappy.
Okay.
But I'm happy.
Yeah.
Not that happy also.
Okay. So did you expected this response for your dance? Yeah.
Dancer? No. I was actually excited about that revealing part, how he reveals that.
Yeah.
I thought people will talk more about that, but nobody talked about that. They're only talking about the dance. You also didn't tell me anything about that. How was
because
that?
this is just overperformed it or something like that. You dance.
I know that people weren't expecting that, but still, I thought that moment will give like, oh God, moment to everyone. Everyone told that this was more than expected. They really loved it and all, but nobody really talked about that revealing part.
And I really loved the way it ended. Like you were saying that, now I don't have my father, but I have this guy who can support.
No, not that part is what I'm talking about.
No, like I'm saying that I really like that part and this.
Oh, the ending part.
It was really good.
See, ending, the climax of the film is actually a little bit of inspired from Dalapati or Nayagan, I would say.
Okay.
See, there is this thing that comes in Dalapati or Nayagan, like there's this somewhere. If you watch that film, you will get to know that police are doing wrong. That's why this sort of goons are there. It's there in both the film, Dalapati or Nayagan. So it is somewhere like that. I wanted to get something like that into this. Even I feel that police is doing wrong, not everywhere, but there are some bad people. So I wanted to show that. So I had that dialogue. People who should support the normal people are only doing wrong. So all those things I added, and I didn't want to end it there. Okay, the actual thing was that the first plan was that I would hit this guy.
This guy. Okay, yeah. Yeah,
I would hit
the
this
scene.
guy up, and that guy will be like, "Hey, உனக்கு தெரியாது நான் யாருன்னு உன்னை
Okay.
காப்பாத்துறதுக்கு யாரு இருக்கு?" And then my
Okay.
dad just comes off like
Yeah.
only one day. Then I was like, no, this wouldn't be nice. I would just do it like this. And that punch, no, I had to end
Yeah.
it with that punch.
Okay.
That took a lot of effort actually. See,
Okay.
when he punches, no, it should go like, I didn't want it to go fade. It was a direct cut to a black this thing.
Okay.
Okay. So when he punches only, it should go to black. Like light should get close there. Suppose this is the camera, and when he punches only, it should get black there. But it was not
Yeah.
happening. He used to punch little below the camera, little
Yeah.
above. And then finally I got that. Like after
Okay.
2-3 takes, we got that. It
Yeah.
was crazy.
Yeah, the thing I really liked in the ending was the like you're going to study, okay? Like I'm going to college. Like you're saying something about this education, right? That that
Yeah, yeah.
that that makes a lot of sense, you know. Like like this all
No,
commercial
that
thing.
actually
Yeah.
doesn't make any sense to me.
Okay.
I
Okay.
you know, right? I don't support
Yeah.
this
Yeah. You
education
told something about in the first interview. Yeah.
Yeah. But I thought that this will be more convenient.
Yeah.
Like now.
Okay.
Like in the story that is convenient. In the
Yeah,
story
yeah.
that is fine. That he is not going to kill someone. He is,
Yeah.
he is educating himself.
Yeah.
But I don't agree with that. And I don't think in the film there is something like na college ku pora and all. It's not there. Na padika pora is not there.
Yeah.
Padika pora. Because college, this study system that exists is something that I don't really accept. So I was like, na padika pora.
Yeah.
I'm going to learn, that's all. I didn't tell
Yeah.
I'm going to college. But that is what I showed. I'm going to college. I had a bag, white shirt.
Yeah, and the way you entered into the film, that is really like, I was like, what? It's really nice, like the cap, and he was like, you were so good at that thing, you know. Like the first scene that you entered into the camera with having that hat. Yeah, you were so good in that kind of role. I was just thinking, who is like this? Like I've seen something like this in a film, in a Malayalam film, but I don't know who is this. Like I was just thinking, but I didn't get it. Hey, you were so good in that.
No, that is not actually inspired from something.
Okay, you know, I'm just saying, but you were so good in that. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Oh, you thought that I was some actor or something, huh?
Yeah, no, I thought that you're already like I thought that you are this coloring teacher or something like that.
Oh no. Okay. So that thing was, see, actually, no, that is actually a trick that I use. Okay. Because if you see in the film, only that portion I have too much of hair.
Yeah.
I was actually going to cut my hair.
Yeah, I've seen that. I have to talk about
my hair. Yeah. I didn't want to show that I had hair and then cut it. So only we could shoot only that day because that was shot in this river sort of area. There were no people there that day, so we shot it there. So I was going to cut my hair in 2 days, and we didn't have shooting. So I wanted to finish this schedule. So I was like, what to do now? So I wore a cap. Hopefully, people didn't understand. I mean,
but
fortunately, people didn't understand.
I noticed it, but I just forgot it. But you just
but
like,
it was fine.
It
was fine, Nana.
Yeah.
In the total movie, it's fine.
I really want to talk about it, but you already bring that in. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. And like the action sequences, like it was, I think those scenes was really good, you know. Like you did with like the way it shot, it was really nice to see. Like
thank you.
Like are you like are you happy with the performance of your dad and the other actors?
Yeah, I'm happy with the performance of my dad and all, except for one scene that is where he tells that last dialogue, right?
Yeah.
I think that dubbing wasn't proper, but that was the best I could get out of all that. So I was like, okay, we'll put that. But people understood, I feel.
Yeah.
People understood.
Yeah, and your Tamil was really good, man. Like your Tamil was so amazing. Like you were so good. You sound so Tamilian in this film. Like not some
Yeah.
Malayali speaking Tamil. It's not like that. It's you sound so
See, that is because
familiar.
I'm a huge fan of Kamal sir and all,
Yeah.
right? I
Okay.
keep watching Tamil films or
Yeah.
the that is why it comes out there. Tamil.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And like others also, they also try to speak Tamil properly, and they, I think that's really fine. Okay, yeah,
Hmm.
that Tamil also sounds okay. Yeah, I'm really okay with all these things. Do anybody say something about that Tamil is not so familiar? Do anybody
No, no, no one told
yeah.
about Tamil and
Okay,
all that much,
okay,
but
okay,
people are telling Tamil was good and all that.
yeah, 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 that's it. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, and first time that we spoke to we spoke to each other, like you said something about you want to become an actor, so that you just writing and directing films. Okay, the first time 1 year before. Now,
Yeah.
are you in the same mindset? Like, if you get an opportunity to act in a film, okay, so you just stop
No,
directing
no,
and
now
writing.
I'm a
Okay,
completely changed man. Now I'm a
okay,
completely changed man. Then
okay,
my initial dream was that I had to become a fire engineer, this thing.
okay, yeah,
That was
yeah,
when I was very small, when I was in
okay,
LKG.
okay, okay,
Then after that, I saw my first film in theater known as Chocolate. It's
okay.
a Prithviraj film. Okay,
Okay.
he's the actor.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
still have that visual memory of I going into theater and all. I was literally fascinated and all. Then I was like, okay, I want to, be an actor. Then I was a huge fan of Prithviraj then.
Yeah, yeah.
All his films I used to go first day. My dad used to take me bunking classes and all.
Yeah.
So yeah, he used to take me. It
Okay,
was
okay.
like go to class in the morning because first show and all it'll be huge rush,
Yeah,
right? So it'll be
yeah.
like go to class, lunch break. You call me telling that you have fever or something. I'll take you. We'll
Okay.
go watch film. And
Okay.
yeah, we used to do that.
Oh,
And then my thing actually changed. Then I was like, okay, I have to become a director, then editor and all. Like from 8th standard, like when I watched
yeah.
Angamali Diaries of Prema, then I started exploring Indian cinemas a lot. Like before that, I used to watch Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam, and
Okay.
not much of Hindi because
Okay.
Hindi was something that I didn't like that much
Okay.
then
Okay.
because mm, because of some reason I don't know. But then I started liking Hindi. Then I met this. I mean, not met. I mean, I got introduced to this man known as Vidhu Vinod Chopra,
Yeah.
Karan Johar, and all.
Yeah.
Then I was fascinated by their films. This thing. So now I work everywhere. Like in the five main Indian cinema languages: Malayalam, Tamil, Telugu, Hindi, Kannada. Kannada
Yeah.
is still somewhere that I have to work on because I don't watch much films in Kannada.
Okay.
But yes, I like some people in Kannada also, Rakshit Shetty, Shankar Nagu and all.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. And so, like, okay, what about Bangalore say Bollywood? Like,
Bangalore se Bollywood, that's a feature film I want to
yeah,
make and
like just
hopefully
tell something. Yeah, yeah. Yeah.
uh,
Yeah, yeah.
by next 1.5 year we'll make it. 1.5 year it will be on theater, I'm sure.
For in 2022 or in 2023, it will be on theater.
Hopefully 2022 if Corona goes now. I mean, if
Okay.
we didn't get hit by third wave, that's what
Okay.
we shouldn't get hit by third wave actually.
Okay,
Yeah,
so
if
you're
third,
releasing the film.
I'm
And
planning to. It's actually it's like getting an investor into it. There is no plan actually. It's
okay.
only in my mind. Even my teammates doesn't know that we are going to film something.
Yeah.
I mean, I've told them, but I'm just prepared. See, I believe that everything that I have prepared has gone like that according to my plan till
Okay.
now.
Okay.
I have. I was like, I'll get 68% in 10th. I got it,
Okay.
and I was
Yeah.
like.
Sorry. Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I was like, I'll get 68% in 10th. I got it somehow, even without
Okay.
studying that much. And I used to tell like my friends and all, okay, after I mean, I wouldn't write 12th exam. I wouldn't write 12th exam.
Okay.
Like, I thought I was going to become an actor by now, but there is some instinct in me that just tells something like that. I was like, I wouldn't write 12th exam because I'll be an actor and all. But I didn't become an actor and all. But still, I didn't write 12th exam. Our board exams were cancelled, actually.
Yeah.
So people look up to me like as if I was, actually that happened. So I have told people that Kalari will be my last short film. After this, I'll make a film. So I believe that also will happen. I'm working on it. I'm writing script and all. Hopefully, Bangalore's Bollywood Tak will be releasing by next 1.5 years. I mean, it is something really risky because it's not that I'm not making a small budget film or something like that, but thing is that it is against Bollywood also. It's not just talking about nepotism.
Sorry, can you say that?
Feel
Yeah. Sorry.
See, the film is actually it is risky because the film is actually talking about nepotism and all this stuff.
Yeah.
So it's not that just an outsider is coming to Bollywood. It is also against them. So I don't know what will happen, but still I feel I wouldn't release it in OTT and all first.
Okay.
I can release it. I'm little against OTT and stuff like that.
Okay.
So I wouldn't release it in OTT and all, direct to theater, but let's see what will happen.
Yes, sir. Yeah, so have you finished writing the film? Because
Sorry?
Yeah, have you finished writing the film?
I have finished writing it, but I have to rewrite the script actually. The first one line that I've written.
Okay.
So I have to rewrite that, and you will be surprised to know who the producer is. It is actually Karan Johar who I'm planning to ask out because that is the marketing idea of that film, the flag bearer of nepotism about nepotism.
Yeah.
That is the marketing of that film.
Okay. Yeah. I don't know how.
Make a film on nepotism. Will you produce it? Because only then people will watch.
Yeah, like it was so contrast, it was so extreme, like this guy.
Yeah. It's like only then people are going to come into theater.
Yeah.
See, if I'm going to produce a film on nepotism and nobody will come, I know.
Yeah.
New people, what they're going to do. The marketing point of that film is Karan Johar, who is the flag bearer of nepotism, introducing 20 to 30 people, talking about nepotism. That is where people will come.
My God. Oh my God.
It may sound funny now, but we'll make it.
It's not funny. It's not like I'm not like it's not like I was like I'm just amazed. Okay, like how did you even think about it? Because like you're just gonna make a nepo product to produce a film about against nepotism. Like that's why
No, that is the basic idea of that film.
Okay, all the best for that. All the best.
Thank you.
Yeah. And why I asked this is because you mentioned that you're going to make a short film about this, okay? Like a sanctuary or something. Yeah. And
Sanctuary.
Yeah. Like now you just converting into a feature film. So like you have to change a lot,
No. The basic story that I thought of, like for Century, was in a normal flat. One minute.
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah.
So the basic story, which the platform I used to, I selected for telling Century was small one.
Okay.
But now it's a little bigger one. Okay. It's a 2.5 hour film. So I have to make little more changes. That's all. But the basic idea of that film will be there like that.
Okay. So like who is going to be the actor in this film? You?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Like I like others.
So obvious. What kind of question is it?
No, I'm just asking this because
Like an insult.
no, you are a great actor. Then I have already told this. I have already mentioned this in many interviews. Yeah, yeah. No, and
Yeah.
I'm just asking this as a small question, okay? What about the other actors? And I really want to lead the question to
I'm
that. Okay,
searching for some of them.
okay. Because why I'm asking this is because you were you were a debutant, okay? So you have to access it's really hard to access some big actors, like
No, no.
supporting
Why will
actors.
I access big actors?
Okay,
No big actors. This is
like
a film against nepotism made by 20 or 30 newcomers.
okay.
Everyone is going to be newcomers,
So your friends
except for
and
Karan Johar, who's going to distribute the film. Yeah,
okay,
everyone is going to be newcomers. Me,
okay,
like DOP, music composer, music director,
okay,
everyone is going to be newcomer.
okay.
Yeah,
Yeah,
that is the
amazing.
marketing of that film.
Yeah, amazing. I mean, I'm
Thank
really looking forward for that. Yeah,
you. Okay.
and yeah, did you did, like did you watch Kalari with your family? Did they enjoy
Yeah,
your
yeah.
mom?
The first screening was done to them only. My
Okay,
mom
okay,
and dad saw it.
okay,
They were happy. They were happy. My mom
okay.
was little worried with that police dialogue that I told us last tappu panna this thing and all.
Yeah, yeah,
I was like, oh no, police will catch you. And all. I
yeah,
was like, I have told this thing. So only that thing. They were happy. My dad was happy
yeah,
actually.
yeah. And okay, and can I just so you're not gonna make any short film anymore?
No, no, no.
Okay,
As of no, actually, this is my last short film, but I will help people making short film. I'll like 2, 3 people are there who has idea. I will be like you direct. I'll be like a support. Like I will produce or something.
okay. So
And we'll release it.
yeah. So did you get a chance to act in any other director's film? Do you go or no? I'm the one who want to direct me. Like, did you be
No, no.
like
If
that?
I
No.
get a chance to act, I will
Okay,
go
okay,
because what I see is acting is my profession.
okay,
It's my profession, and this whole thing of filmmaking is my passion.
okay. But you
Okay.
started loving it now. The days
Yeah,
passed by. You
that's
just
why I'm not going to charge for making a film or something, but
okay,
I'm definitely going to charge for acting.
okay, okay.
So that is how I want to do. See, this is like a social service, or see, I
Okay.
wanted to get an Oscar for our country. Nobody has ever
Okay.
thought of that.
Yeah, for acting.
No, yeah, not only acting, like with our film, nobody has ever thought of that. Nobody
Yeah,
has
yeah,
ever dreamed of. It's
yeah,
actually something that I'm doing for my nation, but uh, I don't know whether I'll be able to get that or not. But I will be able to get us what I think. Let me see.
yeah. Your confidence was amazing because you started doing these kind of films at the eighth standard. Okay, you must be 13 or something. Yeah, then
Yeah.
yeah. Now then now you're a grown up actor. You're a established editor. Like you have improved a lot. Like your last three films was like amazing compared to your first 5 6 films.
Yeah, yeah.
They were like yeah, if you look at it
Yeah.
like is this the
No, no.
is this
I will
Abhinandan
tell
who
you.
directed those films? Like it was so you improved a lot.
Yeah. First I used to make up stories only with stealing or something like that.
Okay.
Some theft and chasing and all. Because
Okay.
I just wanted to do this thing, cut short.
Okay. Okay.
I wanted to use that editing trick. That's all. Then is when like I changed. I wanted to do something, Then after that, I think I'm like great at it.
Yeah. And who did the voice for this newsreader in this film in Kalari? Because it was like
It was
so
done by the uh, girl who spoke as I don't know
in
her
Ajkara.
name. In Ajkal, what does
Yeah.
that student name? Anjali or something?
Oh,
Aishwarya.
amazing.
Aishwarya.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Maybe. Yeah.
that girl, and it was also done by Harshita. She has also done that teacher's voiceover in
Yeah.
this thing,
Aajkal.
Ajkal. So
Yeah,
they're
because
the two female, I mean, actors
are
we
they
have.
Tamil people? Are they Tamil?
One is Tamil, one is
Okay.
Mallu actually.
Yeah, because the voice was like a, he was exactly like a
Hello.
news. Yeah, it was exactly like a news reader thing
News.
in Tamil. Yeah,
Uh-huh.
yeah. I was like,
Yeah.
did they took any original like original
No,
incident
no,
and they
no.
matched it? I was like, then then I get to
I
know
just
the
asked
names.
them to do
Okay,
like,
yeah. If you do so
yeah.
amazing, just tell my wishes to all the people who worked in coloring. Yeah,
Thank you.
yeah. And yeah, like did you face any problems? Like did you face any like difficulties while shooting the film? Because you went to
No,
some other places, right?
no,
No.
there was no much difficulties.
Okay.
We were fine.
Okay. So like did you like your favorite recent films like in last couple of months or something? Like there were a lot of good films in Malayalam
I
movies.
think it is.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, in my feature films.
Yeah.
Recent one I love is I think I like I like Malik, but not
Yeah,
that much. I
Malik.
didn't towards the end and all. I didn't like it, but it was a
Okay.
brilliantly shot film.
Yeah. The first shot was
Brilliantly
amazing.
shot. Shots, VFX, things, a crazy thing it was.
Yeah, the first
But
shot was
I
like
didn't
very
like the
big.
story of the film
Yeah.
and all much
Okay.
because uh, maybe you must have liked it or someone must have liked it, but
Okay.
I didn't like because see, Nayagan and all had a connect to us.
Okay. Yeah.
You know, that is what Maniratnam plays with. He will connect the actors with something, and that emotion comes out.
Yeah.
But Malik, I didn't feel any connect or something. It was just like normal thing. But I really love the way how they shot and
Yeah, because
I
Mahesh Narayanan is also a editor come director,
yeah, I know. He has
Yeah.
edited Vishwarubam also, Kamal sir.
Oh, okay. Oh, I didn't
He
know
is
that.
editing Vikram now, I feel.
Oh
I
my.
don't know. Yeah, he's only editing, I think.
Oh, great. Because I've seen the post. Okay, I've seen Lokesh Kamal. Yeah. I've
Sorry?
seen I've seen a post where Kamal, Fagad Fazil, and Lokesh and Mahesh Narayan was standing. So
Uh-huh.
I didn't know that he's. Oh, it'll be
Okay,
amazing. It'll be
okay.
amazing.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Mahesh Narayan is a crazy editor.
yeah. Like all the editors who also directing films, they're always been so crazy. Like Alphonse Putran or Mahesh Narayan. Like
Yeah.
that means yeah. Okay, have you watched Saras?
No. I wanted to watch Saras because
Yeah.
Jude Anthony Joseph is someone who I really love.
Okay.
I really love him because even in his interviews, it's not because that he's like great filmmaker or something. Certain people you love, like
Okay. Yeah.
I don't feel that he's best filmmaker and all,
Yeah.
but somewhere I like his films.
Yeah. I love
Like I like.
Saras.
So
I love Saras.
I didn't watch Saras. I'm waiting to watch it. But what I'm really excited for is Sher Shah.
But yeah, yeah.
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 So
Yeah.
Sher Shah is something that I'm really excited for. I wanted to watch it. It's coming on 90th. And also Bell Bottom. I'm like, I want to go.
Yeah.
Theater
I've seen a story. I've seen a story. Yeah.
Yeah. I
Yeah.
wanted
Are
to
you
go.
an Akshay Kumar fan?
Sorry?
Are you an Akshay Kumar fan?
Yeah.
Oh.
Because he has come up from nothing, right?
Sorry? Yes.
Also, he has come up from nothing.
Yeah. Okay.
Also, there are great films that he has done. Like recently, I like Good News very much.
Yeah, Good News. I really love it.
Crazy story. I don't
Yeah.
think any superstar will take a story like
Yeah.
crazy story.
Yeah,
And
he's somebody like who's adapting to the trend,
New
like
trends.
In 90s, he's more of this action hero and romantic films. Okay, he's been doing those kind of films, and in 2000 he's doing a lot of comedy
new
films.
thing. Yes.
And in last decade he was doing more of this social.
So Bell Bottom, why I want to watch this because Bell Bottom was actually a Kannada film.
Yeah,
which is
yeah,
then
it's a
remade
remake.
into Hindi. Yeah, but I didn't watch the Kannada film. I
Yeah, I
wanted to
haven't
watch
watched
it.
it.
People were telling them it was a hit film, this thing, but I couldn't watch. So I was like, okay, it's remade into Hindi, right? I'll watch now.
Yeah, because I didn't know it was a remake first. Just 1 month before only I get to know that it was a remake. So we'll see how it's going to be.
Okay.
So Bollywood say Bangalore say Bollywood Tak is a Hindi film which shot in Bangalore or something. Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's
Okay.
short and bad.
Okay. So so it's a single language film or a multilingual? Are you planning for a bilingual or
It
anything?
is like a multi-language film. It has
Okay.
Tamil in it, English,
Okay.
Hindi, because I don't want to tell more about it. We'll see
Okay.
what's
Okay. So and okay, I really want you to make a promise here. And it
what.
might be crazy, it might be stupid or something like that, but I really want you to do that because after your Bangalore say Bollywood tax release or after or before it's release, I'm the first one to in interview you. You have to give
Yeah,
interview to me first.
yeah, I'll give back. Pakka, pakka,
Yeah,
for sure.
yeah,
We'll be the
okay,
first one doing interview.
yeah, I'm happy.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
and yeah, and then we have done
Hopefully, we'll make that interview by next year
yeah, we should
once
have
the
to.
film
Yeah,
release.
yeah,
Let's all pray. Fingers crossed.
yeah. Yes, we have to make it. Yeah,
Yeah.
and like we have make a, we have done a conversation we have done in 2.5 months. In 2 months we have done 6 conversations or something like that. 5 or 6 conversations. Yeah.
Ah,
So which is your favorite in this?
hey, everything is favorite only. Like you
Okay.
asked good question. I don't
Thank you
think
so
the
much.
first one was that
Yeah,
good. The
yeah, yeah,
questions you asked were a little sort of
yeah. But the
not
first one was
stupid, but
yeah, yeah.
yeah,
The
maybe
first
it
time
is
I'm just
because it's
interviewing
new or
somebody. I
something.
don't know nothing about interviews.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
But now it's great. It's great. Yeah.
yeah,
What is that? All interviews are great.
yeah, yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. And do you want to say something about Kalari?
No.
Okay,
Absolutely nothing. We'll leave
okay,
it. Now I'm completely on to Bangalore Bollywood.
okay. So
It's a huge
you
risk. So let me see how I can pull it off.
okay? Yeah, yeah.
I
Everybody's
want all of you
waiting.
to pray for me for that
Yeah,
Bangalore Bollywood pack.
yeah.
We are one
We
day going to
started.
make history.
Yeah,
Yes. Yeah.
yeah.
Thank you.
Okay, yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you for coming. Yeah.
Yeah.